Hello, this video is about respiration, a process that takes place in the cells of all living things. Respiration is the process by which we convert fuel or food into energy. So the normal equation, aerobic respiration, converts glucose with the help of oxygen into carbon dioxide and water. It's the reverse of photosynthesis. And as an exothermic reaction, it releases energy. Now that's the sort of standard reaction, and it takes place in the mitochondria, the organelle in cells that's designed specifically for this process. Now if there's not access to sufficient oxygen, for example in your experience if you've been sprinting, running very fast for a while, you will not be able to get enough oxygen to your muscle cells to perform aerobic respiration. That's when anaerobic, without oxygen, anaerobic respiration kicks in. That's where glucose is converted without any oxygen into a degraded version of glucose, which is lactic acid plus carbon dioxide. Now that takes place in the cytoplasm of the cells, not the mitochondria. And it's a pretty unpleasant reaction. That lactic acid has to be dealt with. And that's where oxygen debt comes in, where you continue breathing heavily after exercise to oxygenate the lactic acid. You're basically adding oxygen back into this equation to end up with carbon dioxide and water again. If you fail to do that, the lactic acid is converted in your liver back into glucose. Thanks for watching. Hope that was helpful.